Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. There is an English for grade 4 and we are learning unit number 14 and its title is A Good Citizen. So my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. For today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about listening and speaking. We will learn how we can engage in a conversation. Yes, my dear fellow students and my dear teachers, before in English for grade 4, we have already learned how we can take turn in classrooms in group shapes. Okay, I hope you may remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So our today's student learning outcomes are, my dear students, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in groups to engage in conversation. So today we are going to learn about how we can engage in conversation, how we can talk about with each other in groups. Okay. So pre-reading questions are there for you, my dear students. What do you know about conventions and dynamics of oral group interactions? My dear teachers, pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Excellent job. I hope you have given it in a nice way. So let's see that what is oral communication. Act of communication and a foundational social skills which includes. So yes, my dear students, what is interaction? Oral interaction is that, my dear students, that act of communication. Communication is that when we are talking on any topic with each other, even that communication is happening between two persons or a group of people. Okay, so then act of communication on social skills which includes. So this is called oral interaction. When we are talking to each other, this is called oral interaction. And what are its dynamics? So see there, the ability to initiate a dialogue. So what is a dialogue? When we are talking, when two persons are talking with each other, so this is called a dialogue. So what is the ability to initiate a dialogue? Initiate means how we can start a dialogue, how we can start a conversation between two people. Okay, so this is the ability. First is that this is called dynamic, and the next is change topics during the conversation. Okay, when we have start conversation and we are talking on a topic, so if we are going to change topic, how we can change topic, in which way, in a polite way, and that in a manners, with manners, how we can change topic. So that also the dynamics of our best conversation. Okay, so next is take turns. So what does it mean, my dear students? Also take turns. You have to take turns in your class also, while if you speaking, while asking something, if there is any discussion, so how you will talk with each other, you will wait for your turn. Okay, so this is called take turns. So same like that, when you are engaged in conversation, even your two peoples are there, or even group of people, so we have to wait for our turn. So next is know what is appropriate to say in the context. So appropriate to say in the context mean, my dear students, on which topic the discussion is going on. So we have to talk about appropriate, suitable talk related this topic. Okay, this is called appropriate saying in the context. So next is speak directly and convey relevant information. So my dear students, relevant information means related to the topic. Okay, that topic is being discussed in group or between two people. So we have to talk about, we have to give relevant information. Okay, that is authentic information. So these are all are called the dynamics of oral interaction when we are engaged in a conversation. So we must follow all these things while speaking. Okay, my dear students. So see there, example is there. So when talking two peoples, you can see if he is talking, so she is talking and he is listening just. So when he is talking, so she is listening just. These are two peoples are there, they are communicating with each other. So they are waiting for their turn also. Okay, when he will speak, so she just listens silently and carefully that what he is asking or talking about. Okay, this is called a dialogue when two peoples are talking with each other. So next is that this is in a group shape, my dear students. So you have to take turns, see if one is speaking, so other all are listening. And when others are speaking, so all would one by one, we have to take it into turns. So when a lot of people are there or a group of people are there, so how we will discuss? We will wait for our turn. Okay, we must not interrupt each other during conversation because this shows bad manners. Okay, my dear students. So how even in class, if you have to ask something to your teacher, so you must not ask in group shape. So one student should talk and after that you must wait for your turn and then other student. Okay, so these all things are for you also, that how we have to talk in conversation, my dear students. So see there is a dialogue on your book, my dear students. Open your book, page number 114, and in question number 8, engage in conversation. Okay, let's read with me. Umar, Hassan, where are you coming from? So two persons are there, Umar and Hassan, my dear students. So Umar is asking question from Hassan. Where are you coming from? Hassan, I came back from the market. Umar, is this a plastic bag in your hand? Hassan, yes, it is. Okay, did you get, my dear students, which conversation is going on and how they are conversing? It's clear and we are getting everything nicely. Umar, oh Hassan, you should use paper cloth bags for grocery and other shopping. Hassan, but why, Umar? So what Umar is giving sense? Umar is saying that you should not use paper cloth. How he is giving sense, you can see. And Umar is asking reason, that if he is forbidding, so why he is forbidding? Umar, plastic bags are harmful. They are the biggest cause of environmental pollution. People throw them into the streets after using them. Yes. Hassan, yes, I see people throw litter in their surroundings instead of a dustbin. Umar, yes, Hassan, we should take care of our environment. Okay, you are reading, my dear students? Good. Hassan, thank you, Umar. I will stop using plastic bags. Umar, you are welcome. So have you got, my dear students, how these two people give information, instructions to each other and how they accept it and they listen carefully and politely. And also if someone is giving instructions, a relevant information, so we must act upon it. Okay, so it doesn't mean that who is giving, doesn't matter if good thing is being delivered to us, so we have to catch it. Okay, my dear students, good. So this is the type of a dialogue between two people when you are talking, how when someone is asking questions, so listen carefully and then wait for your turn. After that you have to respond the relevant information that is being asked from you. Okay, so see there, now it's time to move toward activity. Yes, my dear teacher, are you ready? Teacher will divide class in pairs. So teacher, my dear teacher, you should divide class in pairs. Good. Now, teacher will create a situation for each pair and will ask each pair to come in front of class to present a dialogue. Teacher will create a situation, mean you can give any topic to your pair. My dear teacher, that is so easy and relevant according to their class also. So you can give, my dear teacher, and then you will call each student in front of class and they will present their dialogue in front of class. And the next what you will do, yes, to make this activity more interactive, teacher may merge the pairs. A pair is talking and another pair takes part in the conversation. Okay, so if you want to make it more attractive, so you can merge all pairs and you can perform this activity as an enjoyment. Okay, so pause the video, my dear teacher, and get this activity in your class and then come back. Excellent job, and I hope you have done it in a nice way and you have enjoyed a lot while performing this activity. Good. So what's your homework for today? Yes, write a dialogue between a brother and a sister in your notebook. So yes, my dear students, so you will write a dialogue between brother and a sister. So you can be, okay, it doesn't matter that you will find any other brother and any other sister, no matter, you can also, your own discussion you will can write in your notebook, okay? So don't be that you have read in your class, that structure you have seen in your notebook now in this lecture, so you can follow this structure, okay? So my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You may click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered today? What we covered? We learned and practiced to demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group, to engage in conversation, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in groups, to engage in conversation. So yes, my dear students, so today we have done, and good job, great job, we have done it. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So till that, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.